Okay, I know you guys are kind of eagerly anticipating some updates on this car right here. This is the 1985 500 SEC Mercedes Euro spec. What do I mean by Euro spec? First off, the flush headlights, the shorter bumpers front and rear. Also, it's a 4-speed transmission instead of a 3-speed. The US spec has a 3-speed. Now, this is a very highly desirable Mercedes, the C126. Now, the reason why I'm delayed is because look around. Look over here. You see all this stuff that I have going on right here? The CL600, the S55. This is a customer's SL500. If you look down this way, you see a GL550, G-Wagon, S550, see a SL55, CL55, and then you have a customer's SL500. You also have another GL550. See, these cars right here need work, maintenance, there's upgrades. Some of these are customer cars. And so because of that, this project has been delayed. Now, what am I doing with this car? Well, zoom in a little bit. Come here. If you look inside this car, I have a lot of parts. This is a new dash. Reason why I have a new dash is because that dash has a crack in it. Now that's a common issue with these older cars. This is a 1985, by the way. So these 80s models, typically the dash formulates a little crack. Also, all this trim right here, this wood trim, it starts to go bad. You see that? So I also have a new dash kit for the trim, all right? For the wood trim. Mercedes used real wood back then. I think they still use wood trim when they do use wood, but now a lot of cars, they don't even put wood in anymore. That's kind of crazy to me. But Mercedes used high quality materials back then. Real leather, everything's real leather, you know? Some stuff might have a little vinyl to it, but in general, Mercedes used a lot of high quality materials. And so with time and age, it's just what it is. This stuff starts to wear and tear. Even the fading of the leather seats. There's a contrast between the color it originally was, which is, what do they call this? Palomino? Something like that. The Palomino is like a nice rich peanut butter color. So over time it fades. And so that's what I have going on here with these seats. And so I have black interior that I'm going to install in here. I'm going to keep some of the Palomino colors and give it like a nice Palomino black interior. It's going to be nice. But I have a lot of parts back here. If you bring the camera over here, you can see this back seat is full of parts. See all that stuff back there? Yep. And then let's look at the trunk. Look at that, parts. All right. So I have a lot going on in here, and I really do want to get involved with this vehicle, but it's just taking time because I have so many other things going on. Like for instance, the car that's in the garage right there to the left, the SL500, that's from Virginia. But I also have another one coming in from Oklahoma in a couple days. I'm just very busy. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. I promise to keep you guys updated regarding the 500 SEC. I love that car. I have wheels for it. I'm gonna do an audio upgrade, incorporate some video into it. Interior, of course, some performance mods, exhaust mods. I really want this to be a nice car. I'm gonna paint the whole exterior. It's gonna be nice. It's already black factory, but it's not the black that I want it to be. So I'll probably do like an AMG black where it has a little flake to it. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be blacked out with gold accents. So that's the go. Go to Autoworks, you know, blacked out gold accents. It's pretty much what I do with all the AMGs. So I'm gonna do it with that one too, make it special. I've considered a wide body kit, but I don't know. You know what would be cool is doing an M113K, a compressor motor into that. It's possible. I've seen it. I've seen it on Instagram. But regardless, whatever I'm gonna do to it, I'll keep you guys posted. So stay in touch and be a little more patient with me. I just got a lot going on, guys. I'm just a one-man show. It's hard. Well, a two-man show today because I got my son record this for me. Thanks, son. Love you. All right, go ahead, my Autoworks. I'm out.